Unlock the secrets to seamless online security. Discover how to use LastPass.com to simplify your password management, keep your account safe, and enjoy hassle-free browsing. Say goodbye to forgotten passwords and hello to peace of mind. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use LastPass. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into LastPass.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is LastPass? LastPass is a password management service that helps you securely store and manage your passwords. It generates strong, unique passwords for each of your online accounts. Enhancing your security with LastPass, you can easily autofill login details, saving time and reducing frustration. It syncs across all your devices, ensuring you have access to your passwords wherever you are. LastPass uses strong encryption to keep your data safe, giving you peace of mind. So say goodbye to password anxiety and hello to effortless online security. So let's come back to the top here, and you have just to click over get LastPass free. You have your two choices here as you can see. You have the first one, which is business, designed for businesses of all sizes from small startups to enterprise. You click over try business free, or you can choose the second one, which is personal, premium, multi-device password management and sharing for one person. You click over try personal free. So about the business one, we have here, after or once you click over business, try for free, we have it start your free 14 days 12 of LastPass business. Reduce risks by increasing password security across the entire business and minimizing reliance on password and human behavior. So you have just to write your full name, your work email, your phone, your company name, your job title, and we have your organization size. You choose between 1 and 9, 100 and 249, 500 and 999, 2000 and 2999, 10 and 99, 250 and 499, and you have 1000, 1999. You have over than 3000. So then you click over start free 14 days trial, and you will find, or you will not find, but let's move into the next one, which is personal. So about this second one, you have just to click over here. The second one, you have just to click over here and you choose try personal free, and you will find this page. You have just to create an account. I will show you how you can do that. So here we have one password, 0 h's. You have just to write your email, your master password. For example, I will write, for example, this one. Then you'll find also the second one, which is confirm master password, reminder optional, and you click over sign up, it's free. Once you do that, you will find this page. We have here your account has been successfully created. Welcome to LastPass. Install your browser extension, then log in using the account you have just created. You have to install LastPass here. You can add it to browser and then you log in. Also, we have other option here. We can discuss with LastPass assistant, as you can see, and let's go to the Gmail here, and you have received one email here about LastPass. Welcome to LastPass. Your digital life just got easier and more secure. Here are the login credentials to access your new account. So we have just to log into LastPass here, and before, let's know the tips for getting started. So you have just to add LastPass to your web browser, then add password to your phone, try autofill on your favorite website, and then you click over login and you will find this page as you can see. You have just to write your email address and your master password, or you can create an account here and you click over login and you will find this page as you can see. So after signing up for LastPass, quickly boost your security by importing existing passwords from your web browser. Use the built-in password generator to create strong, unique passwords for each account. Then save your login details with one click for easy autofiling. Enjoy hassle-free browsing while keeping your account safe. So here we have the dashboard. As you can see, welcome to your vault. When you save something in LastPass, it appears here: passwords, payment cards, driver's license. You save it, the vault starts it. So we have here: add your first password. Every great LastPass journey begins with a single password. You have just to try it. We have here a various items. So for example, password, secure note, address, payment card, bank account. And we have other things like driver's license, passport, social security number, insurance policy, health insurance, membership, Wi-Fi password, email account, instant messenger, database, service ish, and we have software license. And if you want to add new custom theme type, we have just to add the password. You have to write URL, the name, the username, the folder, the site password, and you write the notes, and then you click over save. Then you come back in the item that we have here. We have, for example, add secure note, and then you add the name, the folder, you write also the note, and then you click over save. Then if you come back, we have this third one, which is address. So in here you have to write the name, the folder, then you write your title also. You have a Mr., Mrs., Miss, or director also. Then we have the first name, the middle name, the last name, the username, the gender, the birthday, company, address, the first address, the second address, the third address, the city or the town. All we have also here: the country, the state, the zip code or postal code. You have country, time zone, email address, the phone, evening phone, mobile phone, fax, and notes. Then you click over save. Then we have here also payment cards. So about this one, at payment card, we have just to write the name, the folder, the name on card, the type, the number, the security code, the start date, the expiration date, and the notes. Then we have also the bank account. You have just to write the bank name, account name, the routing number, the account number, the SWIFT code, IBAN number, the PIN, the branch address, the branch for. Then you click over save. So we did the same thing with all these things. If you want to add something, also if you want to add new custom item type, you have just to write the name and you add new file, and then you click save. Then we have the second thing here: import your existing password. Save time, import your password from another service. So then we have also here add LastPass extension to a browser. This lets you save and then fill password automatically. So after click over here and you will find add to Brave here, LastPass free password manager. Then we have also other options like passwords here, notes, address. So we can just add the item here and you will find it here, and you do what the same thing that I did. Then we have also your payment cards, bank accounts, and this is how it works with all LastPass and all items here. So LastPass is an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their online security and simplify password management. By securely storing and auto-filing your password, it allows you to focus on what matters most without the stress of forgotten login details. With its user-friendly features and strong encryption, LastPass empowers you to navigate the digital world with confidence. Make the switch today and take control of your online security. So this is how it works with LastPass. You can just get started as soon as possible. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget, you have just to read more information about LastPass before getting started, and see you again in the next video.